I'd like to request you to please put your hands together as we welcome the team from Daimler India Commercial Vehicles Private Limited, who will be investing 4,000 crores, creating 400 jobs. As we all know, they're globally headquartered in Germany. In Tamil Nadu, their facility is going to be set up in Kanchipuram. We're truly happy to note that Daimler has consistently invested in the state of Tamil Nadu since the start of their journey here. Daimler is also upgrading to a 400 crore Oragadam hub. As we mark that exciting moment, we also welcome the team from Avid DEM Proprietary Limited to make their way to join us. 7,000 crores being invested, 12,000 jobs being celebrated, ladies and gentlemen. Their first in Tamil Nadu facility will be across the state, while they're globally headquartered in Australia. We're also going to be looking at their journey, manufacturing of mining components and development of urban infrastructure, experiential tourism and healthcare projects. As we extend our heartiest congratulations to the team at Avid DEM Proprietary Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, today we're also going to be witnessing exchange of MOUs across 20 and more districts. We're also going to be witnessing that across sectors. Avid DEM was just another wonderful example of that multi-sector space. If I may kindly welcome the team from JK Tyre and Industries Limited to join us as they invest 5,143 crores, creating 3,510 jobs. Their facility is going to be set up in Kanchipuram. It will look primarily at the manufacturing of tires. We're also proud to know that they're going to be expanding their facility for passenger car and truck bus radial tire manufacturing. As we extend our heartiest congratulations to the team at JK Tyre and Industries, we'd also like to take the opportunity to welcome our next recipients to join us on stage for a formal exchange. Team YKK India Private Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, YKK, as we all know, is the world's largest manufacturer of zippers and fastening products. We're truly privileged to have the team here with us. They're going to be investing 1,651 crores, creating 4,316 jobs. They're globally headquartered in Japan, and their facility in Tamil Nadu will be in Tiruvallur. May we kindly welcome Avalon Technologies Limited to join us for a formal exchange. 1,000 crores being invested, 3,000 jobs being created within their facility in Kanchipuram. Ladies and gentlemen, they're going to be working towards the manufacturing of electronic components. We'd like to welcome the team from ZF Wind Power Coimbatore Private Limited as they invest 175 crores, creating 100 jobs. Their facility in Coimbatore, of course, is one other way that they are solidifying their presence in Coimbatore as a global major. This facility will look at the manufacturing of wind turbine and construction equipment gearboxes. As we proceed, I'd like to welcome the team from Kaplan Group of Companies to make their way to the center stage. With an investment of 925 crores, they'll be creating over 2,400 jobs with their brand new facility in Tiruvallur. Kaplan Point is also establishing Tamil Nadu's very first major integrated biologics and biosimilars R&D and manufacturing facility of this very scale. So truly a matter of excitement and pride for all of us here in the state. Team WFB Baird and Company Private Limited will be joining us next. They'll be investing 100 crores, creating 1,500 jobs. They're globally headquartered in Northern Ireland, and their center in Tamil Nadu is going to be set up in Sivagangai. They're a 114-year-old North Irish company. They're establishing premium linen manufacturing in Sivagangai, and that's what they'll be doing here as well. Trivitron Healthcare